Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 10 subject social science chapter number 19. The name of the chapter is human development. What is the name of the chapter to be children? Human development. Now our next topic is woman empowerment. What was the our next topic, dear children? Our next topic is woman empowerment. It means Mahila Sashaktikarana. Women are the center of the world development of the process. Dear children, now what happened there? Women are the center of the world development process of the any nation. In any of the developing country, economic empowerment is the main aspect of the woman empowerment. Now what happened there? In any developing country, if you have to see, then what happened there? Economic empowerment is the main aspect of the woman empowerment. Economic freedom is essential for the woman empowerment. That's why we can say that there is a requirement for the economic freedom is essential for the woman empowerment. If a woman is educated, you children be careful. What happens then? If a woman is educated, she would educate a house, society, and ultimately the entire nation. That's why we can say that there is a necessary for the education for the woman. Why? Because the woman is educated, then she would educated house, society, and ultimate for the entire nation. Our country has started taking step in this direction, and that's why our nation has started taking the step in this direction for giving the education to the more women. For time to time, they were served as the post of the prime minister, president, and as a chief minister of the different states. Women are engaged in the job like taxi driver to the pilot. Women are active in the field of the social service, literature, journalism, sports, education, and acting. It means in the every field we have to see the women are engaged with the different kind of the activities as well as the work in the different profession. Women have also been watching the woman working as a social worker, literature, journalist, sports person, educator, and actor on the TV and the news channels. Woman employment is expanding from working as a labor to the work as a business in the commerce, communication, and many other jobs because of increasing education, training, and the skill program. Still, there is a lot of scope for the development of the woman. So, for extending it, we have to make a lot of efforts for the woman empowerment. Our next topic is, dear children, woman welfare scheme. What was the next topic, dear children? Woman welfare scheme is Mahila Kalyankari Yojana. Since 1980, many plan as well as the program related to the woman development in India. What happened, dear children? Since 1980, many plan as well as the many program related for the women development in India have been implemented. National Commission for Women was set up in 1992. What happened, dear children? Be understood and be careful. National Commission for Women was set up in 1992. National Policy for the Empowerment of Women in 2001, set up by the Department of Women and Child Development. They are undertaken the program like strength of building, employment, income generation, welfare, and supportive service, and the gender segregation. United Nations has declared the 1975 as a woman year. What happened, dear children? Be careful. What they have to say that United Nations declared 1975 as a year of the woman. It also had declared that 1975 to 1985 decades for the woman decades. And 2002 was celebrated as a woman empowerment year. An act has been amended to give them equal rights in the family property, and that's why now what happened there? Now presently the act has been amendment for the woman to give the equal rights for the family property. Now next, dear children, they have given about the step taken to stop the woman exploitation. It means Mahila Shoshan Atkava Angeni Jogwayo. For women's security, 181 Abhyam Women Helpline has been started in Gujarat. What happened, dear children? In Gujarat, for the women's security, 181 number you have to call for the 24/7 7 for the Mahila helpline number is there. For Abhyam for the woman helpline has been started in the Gujarat for the woman security, for helping the woman suffering from the various types of the violence. They may also even get guidance for their progress just by making a call. Woman code have been set up so that poor women get justice easily, and woman welfare center have been set up to solve the social, legal and employment related problem for the woman. What happened there, dear children? We can say that the woman welfare center have been set up for the social, legal and the employment related problem solved by the welfare center for the women. Government has become the vigilant to provide the protection for the woman against physically, mentally and the sexual exploitation. By passing a law in the parliament. Now what happened there, dear children? By passing the law in the parliament, the working women have been given the protection against the sexual harassment in government office, private business or as a maid. Now dear children, they will given the next topic, that various schemes of the Gujarat government for the providing the equality to the woman. What the next topic, dear children? Various schemes of the Gujarat government for providing equality to the woman. It means મહિલા સમાનતા અંગે ગુજરાત સરકારની વિવિધ યોજનાઓ. Gujarat government has set up the Women and Child Development Department in 2001. What happened there, dear children? Here the Gujarat government has set up the Women and Child Development Department in the year 2001 for social, economical and educational program for the women. Gujarat government has emphasized on women empowerment by stressing on three aspects of the development of the woman. One is educational empowerment, second woman health, and third woman safety. These are the three aspects of the development of woman. Which are three? They are educational empowerment, woman health and the woman safety, for the upliftment of the woman, for the poor and the common family, and the woman of the rural area. For this purpose, the government has implemented the various schemes in woman center for the gender budget. Now they have to given the steps. It means the various schemes started by the Gujarat government for the providing the equality to the woman. First they have to given that with the intention of encourage the girls education, school entrance ceremony and the girls education charity festival have been started in Gujarat. As a result, the 100% admission increase in women literacy has been there. Second, in Gujarat, the girl child in the village have less than 35% of women literacy rate of the family living below the poverty line. In urban area are given the Vidya Lakshmi bond at the time of the admission to the primary or the secondary school. Next, they have to be under the Saraswati Sadhana Yojana, 1,50,000 girls have been given a cycle free of cost by government, and girls going out village to study are given the facility to travel free in ST bus. Next, Sabal Yojana have been started to provide the nutrition food to adolescent girls and to develop the skill. Gujarat government has made the provision that 33% of the reservation for the women government. In local self-government institution, women reservation percentage has been increased from 33% to 50%. Rashtriya Swavlamban Yojana. What happened there, dear children? They have given the Rashtriya Swavlamban Yojana is implemented to provide the pension to the proletariat and distinction for the people in the latter half of their life. Other than this, destitute widows women are given the economic help so that they are not forced to live the poor life. Under the Mission Mangalam Yojana, what happened the dear children? Under the Mission Mangalam Yojana, government provide the economic help to women through Sakhi Mandal to make them a self-reliant. For women health, Mamta program has been started in which the pregnant women are registered through the mobile technology and are issued the Mamta card so that death at the time of the maternity may be controlled. Along with it, a regular health checkup is done, and after the birth of the child, health of the mother and the child is taken the care through the vaccination program. For the abolition of gender discrimination, Save Girl Child means Beti Bachao Abhiyan has been started, and that's why they have given one slogan: Beti Bachao, Beti Badhao, and Beti Padhao. Program have given the important contribution in women empowerment. Which program has given the important contribution for the women empowerment? Beti Badhao, Beti Bachao, Beti Badhao, and Beti Padhao. Scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, pregnant women are provided the medicine, laboratory test, operation facility free of cost under the Chiranjeevi Yojana. Various schemes have been started for the women welfare by the Women and Child Development Department of the Gujarat. What happened that DHN? We can say that the various above schemes have been started for the women welfare by the Women and Child Development Department of the Gujarat. By extending the coverage of this scheme, we will be able to face the challenges of the women empowerment. In relation with the human development, now dear children, if you have to see with the relation with the human development, if we take a deep look into the our street and the villages, we find that the pregnant women are not getting the proper nutrition, underweight child is born, and child is suffering from the malnutrition. Child is not going to the Anganwadi or school. Children studying in school may not be able to read or write. Study is abandoned midway. Daughters are not sent for the higher studies. Youth may not be getting the employment. Somebody may die because of accident. Somebody is suffering from some serious disease. All these things affect the human development index. Whatever the above things we are learning, this all things are affect the human development index of our country. Thus, if not only the government but also the citizen of the country become the active in the direction of the development, and that's why we can say that this is the not only the responsibility of government, but this is the responsibility of every citizen of the nation, the country become the active in the direction of the development. Then only we will be able to complete with the nation having the high human development in the future. Then what happened that year in future, our nation is also to compete with the other nation having the high